Hello, my name is Kat Perez and I am the head of product here at HealthSherpa. In this video, I'm going to give you a brief overview of our agent-client referral program. This program allows you to refer marketplace clients to HealthSherpa. For each client you refer, we'll pay you a referral bonus for each successfully submitted application. In this demo, we'll be reviewing the Refer-Only HealthSherpa account. First, you'll create your HealthSherpa referral account. After reading and signing the joint marketing agreement, we'll ask what states you're licensed in. To participate in this referral program, you must be licensed in the states you are referring in. However, you do not need to be FFM certified because we'll be assisting your client with shopping and enrollment. This is your HealthSherpa dashboard. You will notice a Referrals tab and a Marketing tab on the left. The Referrals tab allows you to track each client referral, the status of their application, as well as the referral bonus payout. The Marketing tab allows you to customize your referral website with your name and logo. This website introduces your partnership with HealthSherpa and allows your clients to begin the process of shopping and enrolling. To share your referral link, click on your Share My Link button. This will allow you to email this link to your clients. Your client will receive an email introducing HealthSherpa as your partner for ACA enrollment. From here, your client has two options. The first is to complete their application online. The second is to call us and we will help them enroll over the phone. The link and phone number your clients use will always be unique to you to ensure you receive credit for every referral. Once your client begins an application, the client will appear in your Referrals tab. HealthSherpa will then send you a payment in the form of a check for your referral. This payment will be sent within 60 days of the successfully submitted referral application. Please reach out to our agent support team. They'll be happy to answer any questions you have. Our phone number is 888-684-1373. You can also email us at agent_support@healthsherpa.com. Happy referring!